Good morning, and today we're going to talk about calibration of micrometers. I mentioned it in previous videos about calibration, but yes, we do need to maintain calibration on this. They are adjustable, so let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Now this is just a standard Pt2 mic. You remember the standards in the other mics, we would be using them to calibrate this, but I've just gotten this mic. Now the first thing I'm going to do is get a piece of paper here, and I'm going to clean this out. So bear with me. I'm going to open this on up, put this in here, close it down, pull it out. Then I'm going to bring the anvil, the spindle faces together, and notice that I'm out of calibration. Now I intentionally moved this out of calibration. The line is down here. That line should match with this zero line up here. Well, we can't, whatever you do, do not try to screw this in tighter to get it to line up. You'll just ruin your mic, and obviously, if we measure it down here when the zero lines up, we're going to be about 5/1000ths of an inch shy. So, in your micrometer set, or your individual mic, you should have a little wrench like this. It's called a spanner wrench. In fact, the correct term is a pin spanner. You'll notice there's this little hook sticking out. Now, in here, there's a hole. I've engaged that pin in there, and I'm going to rotate this around the barrel until the sleeve, until it lines up with the barrel. And you'll notice this line below the one's what I'm looking at. When this line here, below the one, and it's a solid line, it goes the entire length of this sleeve, lines up with this zero, with the anvil faces closed. This is calibrated at gauge point 0. Always calibrate your micrometers on the lowest measurement. That would be 1 inch for a 1 to 2, 2 inches for a 2 to 3, 3 inches for a 3 to 4, and so on and so forth. The nice thing about an Pt2 is I can bring the anvils close them together without having the use of a gauge or a standard, and then I can calibrate it off itself. This mic is now calibrated and is ready to go into service. Please, before, especially automotive, machining, industrial tech, you're using tools like this, make sure they're calibrated before you use them, because if you have multiple people using different mics, all of them an Pt2 mic, you need all of them calibrated the same. That's the way we get these measurements the same in the industry. Not everybody doesn't have a different measurement. That way it eliminates the tool out of the equation, and it only is down now to the operator of the tool. With that, that concludes this video.